Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an audio file to a Google slide. So if I have recorded an audio file and I want to add it to a Google slide so that people viewing the Google slide can listen to that audio file, I'm going to click on Insert, and then the third option down is Audio, and then what will happen is a pop-up will be presented with different audio files for you to choose from. You can select it from your drive, shared drives, anything shared with you, or just recent audio files. Here are my recent audio files. I've given these a listen before making this tutorial. They are not flattering at all. I'm going to add one, but I'm not actually going to play it. So if I click on one that I want to add, I'll insert it, and then it's creating it. And then notice that as soon as it adds that, I have this menu on the right hand side. How would you like the audio to play back? Do you want it on click, so somebody actually has to click start? Do you want it to start playing automatically as soon as the slide loads? What would you like the volume to be? Do you want to loop it? Do you want it to stop when the slide changes to the next slide? And then a bunch of other options for size, rotation, position, recolor adjustments, drop shadow, reflection, alt text. Just a neat way to add some more different types of media to your Google Slides. Something you might want to explore, play around with. Could be fun.